I remember I had made a reel also on this. Guys, I think we should start auctioning my art. अंदर का आर्टिस्ट जाग गया था तब. Then March, April, May, June, July, August, September. बाद में तुम लोग auction करोगे देखना. I think I'll put pictures of all my drawings for clear reference on the video. Aww. So before I begin, I just want to thank you all for supporting. I've been getting such great messages from all of you guys, and with each and every day, our family is just growing and growing bigger and bigger. The title से आपको पता ही चल गया होगा that we are going to go through my sketches and paintings and drawings that I have made. So without no further ado, let's begin. So I'm going to sit here because lighting अच्छा है, मेरे को सब कुछ आपको clearly दिखाने के लिए मिल जाएगा. I've all got all my drawings here. There's some in the drawer also. We'll take them out later. So to begin with, where do we start from? We'll start from mandala. So guys, this is the first one. See, I'll put pictures of all my drawings for clear reference on the video, so that if you ever want to refer to them to recreate, you can always come back to the video. So yeah, the first one is mandala. When I first discovered mandala art, something was there that attracted me towards it. Maybe it was the symmetry of how it's done and how peaceful it looks. Just see this one and you can see clearly. Maybe it's two of mine. I don't know. Maybe there are more, but yeah. Just the symmetry and the cleanliness, how it looks. It's just so peaceful to look at. Serene, beautiful. So this is the other one. Oh, and I have written dates also on most of them. So this was done on 18th of April 2020. Lockdown चल रहा था ना तब, right? I had done most of my paintings then. अंदर का artist जाग गया था तब. One of my finest works that I have done. It's like so pretty. Just look. So jar, I really love my shading over here that I have done, the shadows I've given, and all the butterflies are all different, yet they're looking so peaceful together. And this reminds me of the tattoo that I have on my back, which is again of a bird. This is a very beautiful girl. Maybe on her wedding day she's got ready and has a lot of flowers with a beautiful bun. It took me a lot of time to actually sketch out her strands basically. मैं basically करती क्या थी, मैं pencil से पहले हल्का सा roughly sketch कर देती थी and उसके बाद I used to permanently mark it out with a black pen or a sketch. This took me a lot of time, especially और मेरे को हमेशा होता है कि if I'm doing something it needs to be perfect. जिसका भूत अब थोड़ा थोड़ा उतर रहा है with the vlogs also. So when I had to make her neck, I remember clearly their marks also. पेंसिल के, वो मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा था इसकी नेक परफेक्टली ड्रॉ करने के लिए. ब्यूटीफुल एंड पीसफुल टू लुक एट, राइट? द नेक्स्ट वन इज अ वुल्फ. दिस इज वन ऑफ माय क्लीनेस्ट वर्क्स, आई विल से. लाइक व्हेनेवर आई लुक एट इट, आई फील वेरी प्राउड एज एन आर्टिस्ट. व्हाटएवर छोटू मोटू आर्टिस्ट आई एम, बट या काला माला कचमच नहीं है. इट्स ऑल वेरी परफेक्टली डन एंड इट रिमाइंड्स मी दैट इट इज नॉट माय एनिमल. कौन सा एनिमल होता है वो? Spirit animal, right? It is not my spirit animal. My spirit animal is a polar bear. Yeah, it has to be a polar bear. Why I say that is because like they go into hibernation during winters. I am exactly like that. मेरे को ठंड बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है. तो जो लोग मेरे को कह रहे थे कि बॉम्बे में इतनी ठंड नहीं होगी तो वहीं रहे, गाइस मेरे को बॉम्बे पसंद है क्योंकि वहाँ ठंड नहीं होती है. A very intellectual kind of a drawing. होता ना जो म्यूजियम्स में लोग खड़े होकर सिर्फ आर्ट को देख रहे होते हैं. I think this is one of those pieces. Like you can stare at it for a very very long time to make meaning out of it. I will not do that. So, but it's a very beautiful drawing sketch. I don't know. You can see it from both the sides. Like इसपे as such कोई सीधा side नहीं है. And I really like how all the detailings, the roots are there. I don't know what does it mean though. Tell me in the comments what do you think this means. I don't know. This was done on 27th of March 2020. This सब lockdown के babies हैं मेरे. So this is a different one now. This has been done with oil pastel colors. वो सारे pen वाले थे. They are two cute birdies sitting here and just enjoying sunrise or sunset, whichever you want to see with your loved ones. Yeah, very peaceful to look at. Nothing great about it though, but still have got it laminated to preserve my art. बाद में तुम लोग auction करोगे देखना. This reminds me of an art drawing competition that I won during my school. I was in 5th grade, I vividly remember, and it was Christmas themed. A4 size पे ही बड़ी सी bell बनाई थी. I remember it was a green bell with red bow, a big one. And I won second. So now we move on to my drawings in the notebook. There are a lot. So we'll start with the doodling. So I remember during lockdown I started learning Spanish. मेरा पुराना एक शेड्यूल होता था 11 से 12 मैं स्पेनिश पढ़ूंगी. I'll do sketching also. स्केचिंग को 2 घंटे दिए हुए थे एंड डांस, मेरे डांस वीडियोस भी हैं मेरे यूट्यूब पे, फुल सी, सो दोज आर ऑल फ्रॉम लॉकडाउन. So yeah, so I started learning doodling basically. So this is that. Now this is something interesting and something again to sit and look at and stare. Hypnotic, no? ऐसे घूमता रहेगा, see? But nice. It's very peaceful to just sit and draw. Been a while that I've not. Oh, so there's a poem that Janvi has written here. You say you love rain, but you open your umbrella. You say you love the sun, but you find a shadow spot. You say you love wind, but you close your windows. This is why I'm afraid when you say you love me. And this is not written by me. William Shakespeare has written it. There's another poem that I've written. I don't know why I was doing this, but yeah, by Nikita Gill, Goals of the Wind. Then I started working on my writing also. Talented to hai kafi ladki. So this is, oh, I remember. So this is a bag that I'm in trying to draw. If you see clearly, my nails are dirty, don't judge me for them. So this is a bag that I've been trying to draw, I think. And then I finally achieve it in the next photo. मैंने पेन से कर दिया, वो तो खराब हो गया था. So see, so basically there's this girl who's naked and just sitting and talking to the moon. What a beautiful thought. I am somebody like this who will just sit and stare at the moon and talk to the moon. Oh, it's such a pretty cute thingy. See the upside down umbrella with some kalakari on it. Pretty, no? 19th March. प्रिटी, हाँ, दूर से देखो, मीन्स इसमें कलर्स फिल कर दोगे तो और कितना प्रिटी लगेगा. I wouldn't want to ruin it because I'm not really confident about drawing about. It's a sun setting over a lake and there's just a bridge that going towards the sun. Nice, no? Oh, this has got my heart. It's like a night with the moon and a tree. Just imagine me walking around this tree for the whole night. You can imagine. I'm telling you to imagine, even if you're not imagining. Did you? You should be imagining. Yes. There's something I've written. Should we read it? We should read it. With quarantine being extended till April 30th, it seems that our safety, the safety of human race, is in danger. We as the intelligent species need to act humanly and smartly. This quarantine sucks. I've written it on 8th of April 2020. Oh, and then I drew this, safety. This is nice. I think having Corona in my mind, I must have done this. From the same day I've done this, I don't know. It's roughly a girl with a cap on, and what I've written is just random shit like these random days going by like random thoughts in mind and coming back again and again. Hey, शायर भी हूँ मैं. पता नहीं है तुम्हें. It's a girl with flowers in her hand. It was done on the 17th of April. This says, the hands look like ones of a monster and the flowers aren't flowers, but some circles together. Though I like how the lower body turned out to be. Oh, मैं खुद को ही remarks दे रही थी. There's nothing poetic about it. Oh, we're done with this one. And now we have another booklet that I would like to share with you. Ta-da! Another mandala first of all. So this is a little crooked one, but see again, this is so peaceful to look at. Guys, I think we should start auctioning my art. Oh, this is very recent actually, bro. 12th of February 2025. I did this last year. Wow. ये अंदर का भी artist मरा नहीं है. See, this is nice. I think I can get it framed or laminated. I will. And now we'll show you some of the other work. These are all very old ones. It's supposed to be colored. पूरा नहीं हुआ है. But imagine how much time it took me to draw the whole thing. मैं और उसको color नहीं कर रही थी. I think I stopped doing it because I was afraid that I'll just ruin it. So well, दिमाग नहीं चलता है ना कैसे क्या करेंगे. But it's looking nice. Another mandala. It can look like this. You can see this way also. This is done on 30th of March, April, May, June, July, August, September 9. 30th September 2020. The dates written there. Nice na? Very nice. So peaceful, no? जितना वो peaceful था उतना ही disturbing है. I'm not completed it. I don't know what I was trying to make. This is a guy who was just going crazy. I think Corona did it to all of us. Those. Another mandala, my god. क्या artist हूँ मैं. This is nice. This is half done because a lot of things are going on. Maybe the page would have been very small for me if I wanted to draw or something larger. Maybe it was just meant to be like this. This is done on 9th of February 2025. I remember I had made a reel also on this. It must be in my archives now. But I made a reel on this when I started creating content. Now I remember, yes. Oh, I finished it. Damn. So this was basically now I remember. I wasn't able to recollect कि मैंने February 2025 में कब ऐसे ड्राइंग कर दी, अभी तो यहीं पे थी. This is another one. So basically I had come back from Bombay and it was a very tough time कि मैं अब क्या करूँगी, क्या हो रहा है, why, ये वो. And art has always been my resort to bring back to peace. So this was it. This is another one that I did. This is also from 12th of February. See, 2025. I always sign once I've done it. This is an incomplete one because it's a very intricate. Yeah, because अभी यहाँ पे ऐसे और ड्रॉ होगा, मैं बताती हूँ बेसिकली. तो यहाँ पे अभी ऐसे और 2 सर्कल्स ड्रॉ होंगे, उसके बाद there will be bells that will be going down. If you can imagine, I'll probably put a picture or something. So इसको finish करना होगा. And now comes the doodling. I told you ना, this is तो just me bringing myself back to peace. This is just that. Art has always been that for me. A meditation, be it dance or be it drawing. So these are all just छोटे doodling that I did. Nothing else. I don't think I have anything else. No. All finished, nothing else. And last but not the least, this is my first origami. I was very happy and proud when I finished this. It was like very 15-20 minutes ka khel. But yeah, see, I think it's the beginner's thingy, right? You turn it like this? Yeah, something like this. I don't know. You do, right? Kuch to hota hai. It's like the beginner's origami. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and stay tuned for more.